Okay, here's your Samsung refrigerator. And so this is model RS2545SH. RS25SH. And so we got a couple issues. It seems to be frosting up, noted by the fan making noises after a while, and can be defrosted and run for another couple weeks, and that'll be okay. But then we also have an issue with another one, that the compressor will run, but the cooling fan, or the condenser fan, does not blow the air through the coil. So we've got two problems with this one. And I'm going to get a manual on it and try and figure it out. When we first got this one, the panel was dead, and so turned out it seems there was a loose connection here on the top, and that remedied the control panel up in front. But anyway, that's your Samsung tip for today.